Welcome to the Iran Culture House, New Delhi, a vibrant center dedicated to fostering cultural dialogue and strengthening the enduring friendship between Iran and India. Through education, literature, art, and research, we preserve a rich heritage while inspiring future generations. Join us on a journey of knowledge, culture, and discovery. The Book Cafe is one of the highlights of the Iran Culture House. Enjoy authentic Persian tea, explore inspiring books, and experience the warmth of Iranian culture, all in one place. Beyond its educational programs, the Iran Culture House is a vibrant center for cultural exchange. Throughout the year, it hosts literary seminars, cultural festivals, Persian calligraphy exhibitions, artistic performances, and traditional fashion shows. It also publishes books on a wide range of subjects and the quarterly magazine Rah-e-Islam, promoting dialogue, scholarship, and mutual understanding. The Iran Culture House also offers comprehensive Persian language courses for learners of all backgrounds. The program is divided into 4 levels, with each level completed in just 3 months. Taught by experienced instructors using the latest language learning methods, classes are available both online and offline, helping students develop confidence in speaking, reading, writing, and understanding the Persian language. At the heart of the Iran Culture House is the ICHD Central Library, home to more than 25,000 books on Islamic studies, mysticism, Persian literature, Iranian and Indian history, arts, and comparative religions. The collection is available in Persian, Urdu, English, Hindi, and Arabic. Visitors can search the online catalog and access services such as membership, attendance, book issue, and return through www.ichdlib.in. The library also offers an extensive collection of magazines in multiple languages. All Iran Culture House publications are available as digital flipbooks at www.ikhdpublication.in. In addition, the library has developed www.visionaryleaders.in, a dedicated digital platform where visitors can explore and download books, speeches, articles, and multimedia resources on Imam Khomeini, the martyred Grand Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, and Ayatollah Sayyid Mojtaba Khamenei. The Noor International Microfilm Center preserves priceless Persian manuscripts and rare historical documents from libraries across India, safeguarding a rich literary and cultural heritage for future generations. The Persian Research Center promotes the study of Persian language, literature, and culture through academic research and scholarly activities. It also publishes the renowned Conde Parsi magazine, providing a platform for researchers, writers, and scholars while strengthening the rich literary and cultural ties between India and Iran.